Hi, my name is Michelle Claudia. In this presentation, I will present a sociolinguistic analysis of English code mixing in a beauty vlog by Abel Chantika. The study highlights how English is blended with Indonesian and the purposes behind this mixing in digital beauty content. Background of the study. Linguistic, particularly sociolinguistic, is crucial because it reflects identity and social connection through language use. In the digital age, platforms like YouTube allow people to adjust their language depending on their audience, often mixing global and local language, a phenomenon known as code mixing. This can be in bilingual communication, especially in beauty vlog, where certain terms are chosen to connect better with viewers. The study titled Sociolinguistic Analysis of English Code Mixing in a Beauty Vlog by Abel Chantika examines this practice using concepts like insertion, alternation, and congruent lexicalization. Overall, this research aims to deepen our understanding of bilingual practice in digital media and show how language reflects identity. Research question 1. What types of English code mixing, insertion, alternation, and congruent lexicalization are used in Abel Chantika's beauty vlog content? 2. What sociolinguistic factor influence Abel Chantika's use of English code mixing in her beauty vlog? Description of the research object. YouTube, one of the largest video sharing platforms, served as the focus of this research through the beauty vlog of Indonesian content creator Abel Chantika. Her video, which include product explanation and casual conversation, exemplify bilingual communication with frequent English terms related to makeup. This platform is influential for learning, sharing opinions, and fostering online communities with users engaging in casual, flexible language. Therefore, YouTube is pivotal for analyzing language use and code mixing in contemporary digital interaction. Research objective and benefit. This research aims to identify and classify types of English code mixing, specifically insertion, alternation, and congruent lexicalization in Abel Chantika's beauty vlog. It explores the sociolinguistic factor influencing her language choices, including audience engagement and stylistic preference, to illustrate bilingual communication in digital content. The study contributes to understanding language variation in online media, particularly within Indonesian English bilingualism. Expected benefits include enriching the literature on bilingualism for research, aiding educators in teaching methods, and highlighting the impact of language choices for content creators, ultimately promoting further exploration of language use on digital platforms. Theoretical framework. Sociolinguistics examines how language functions in social contexts, emphasizing the relationship between linguistic choices and social identity. It highlights how varieties, style, and code signal identity and manage relationship, particularly relevant in digital media where new norms influence language use. Code mixing, a key concept, involves integrating elements from different languages within the source, treated as a strategic research rather than random errors. The main process includes insertion, adding language element into a sentence, alternation, shifting between language, and congruent lexicalization using computable structure from both language. These practices are common in bilingual communities and are predominantly observed in informal conversation. Analysis and discussion. This analysis categorized English code mixing in Abel Chantikai's beauty vlog using Muskin's framework, identifying three types: insertion 72%, alternation 16%, and congruent lexicalization 12%. Insertion is the most prevalent attribute to the use of specific English beauty terminology that blends seamlessly into Indonesian. Alternation serves mainly as an expressive tool, enhancing relatability for her young bilingual audience. Congruent lexicalization reflects a hybrid grammatical structure, indicating the syntactic flexibility between English and Indonesian. Thus, English code mixing in the vlog is both functional and stylistically significant for her role as a beauty influencer. Conclusion. The study concludes that English code mixing significantly influenced Abel Chantikai's communication style as a beauty content creator, with the most common use being insertion for makeup terminology, enhancing clarity and engagement. Alternation frequently adds an expressive, friendly tone, while congruent lexicalization showcases the effective blending of English and Indonesian for bilingual audience. Despite its benefit, the research faced limitation, such as challenge in distinguishing code mixing from brand names and the subjective interpretation of hybrid forms, which may affect generalizability. Future studies could expand the understanding of code mixing in digital media by involving more samples and coders. Here are the references that I found and used. And this is all from me. Thank you. Bye.